Another matter. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Now they ask yourself, say what to say another matter. Me say another matter. The two happen. Na say countryman, countrywoman. For that side for Tchad. So woman, a brother, he enter a house, he kill nephew them. Kill the woman, picking them. Cut am kill her with some friend the way they come on Nigeria. They talk say they do human organ trafficking. They don't got kill the two picking them. They don't surely hard teeth for their skin. Then go them for Nigeria with them. So the woman they cry. They cry. Police they do investigation. The woman named Adama Abaka Jibrin. Mami for two pikin. Where they can't kill all the pikin. A half brother can kill all the pikin. Quarter. So finish them. I see this so you know get no pikin again. Two pikin away born am. A brother come on Nigeria with some people then they carry has they kill pikin them then they take Chokyo. They talk for their food say wait to chop or no give. The one where they happen so if I say me Interpol and other people will be where they know for do investigation me they try catch the woman a brother so that me the judge for no wait to happen wake and has can kill the woman a picking them.